மார்கழி மந்த் 3rd day திருப்பாவை பாசுரம் 3. ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர் பாடி நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாற்று நீராடினால் தீங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மும்மாறி பெய்து ஓங்கு பெருஞ்சென்னல் ஓடு கயலுகல பூங்குவளைப் போதில் புரிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீத்த முளைப்பற்றி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும்பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம் நிறைந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். So in this pasuram, Sri Andal refers Trivikraman, the god who comes as Vamanar, then he reveals himself to a very tall figure. So that is Trivikraman, and she's calling everyone to take bath early and do nonbu. And the prayer is for the welfare of the entire country. She says we pray for the good of the country, so that you will have good rainfall and that will promote the agricultural growth. So there will be more paddy cultivation and more fish will be in the water around the field, and bees will be collecting nectar from the flowers, and cows will be getting more milk for us. All this stand for prosperity. So she wants everyone to be happy and everyone to be prosperous. So she is calling everyone for the puja, for worshipping the Lord Vishnu. Ulagalanda Peruman temple at Tirukkovilur. This temple is very old temple. It is connected with 4 yugas. And temple is one of 108 Divya Desams. This is located at 40 kilometers west of Viluppuram. It is reachable by road or rail from Chennai as well as from Kadalur. Kadalur is the closest town to this place. It is located on the banks of Pennai River. Inscriptions in the temple tell us that this temple is dated back to Pallavas, Cholas and Pandyas period. The kings of the 3 dynasties have contributed for the expansion as well as addition of structures to this temple. The temple has 11-storied and 192 feet high Gopuram, the tower, one of the tallest towers among the Divya Desams. So one we know Srirangam Rajagopuram, the other one Srivilluputturu Rajagopuram, this one Tirukkovilur Rajagopuram. The main deity here is Trivikraman, Ulagalanda Peruman. And Moolavar Perumal is 20 feet high in a standing posture, and he keeps his left leg on the ground and raises his right leg up to 90 degrees. He has conch in his right hand and chakra in the left hand. This is a very special feature. Normally you don't see like this in other temples. And Moolavar is made out of taru wood. And when you come out of the Garbhagriha, you can find Vishnu Durga. Vishnu Durga is Swayambhu, that is made on her own. It came out on her own. So this is very special in this temple. She is like guarding the temple, guarding the deity. Earlier, the main deity was Sri Krishna in this temple, and Krishna's idol is made of Saligrama. The entire Rupam is of Saligramam. It's very beautiful Krishna here. And this is one of the Krishnaranya Kshetrams. There are 5 Pancha Krishnaranya Kshetrams. This is one among them. The other 4 are Tirukannapuram, Tirukannangudi, Tirukannamangai, Kavithalam. They are near Kumbakonam. And this is this side. This is away from those 4 temples. So including Tirukovilur, we have got 4 near Kumbakonam. Pancha Krishnaranya Kshetram. Here, Devas, they had the darshan of Lord Vishnu as Krishna. The main deity here is Trivikraman. We have temples for Trivikraman at 3 places. One at Kanchipuram, Ulagalanda Perumal Kovil. The other one at Sirgadi, Tadalan. And this one at Tirukovilur, you have this temple. And in this temple, apart from the Sannadhi of Krishna and Trivikraman, when you go around the Prakara, you can have darshan of Lakshmi Narayana, Lakshmi Narasimha, Sri Ramar, Veera Anjaneyar, Sri Andal, Alvars, Tirukachinabigal, Imperumanar, Kuratalvar, Shukracharya, and Tayar. Tayar has got a separate temple like Sannadhi. And Tayar is Punkodai Nachiyar here. As per Bhagavata Purana, Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana to help Devas. Mahabali, the king, he took forcible control of Indraloka. So to give back the kingdom to Indra, Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana. He was born to the Rishi Kasiban and his wife Aditi. He was 2 feet, known as Vamanar, with a beautiful face. Mahabali announced for a yajna and he said, whoever comes, whatever you want, I will give you. And Vamanar went to meet Mahabali and he asked for 3 feet of land. Immediately Mahabali's guru, Shukracharya, realized that Vamana is only Vishnu. So he stopped Mahabali to give. And Mahabali did not listen to him because Mahabali always had a proud feeling that I am the powerful, I am very generous in giving. So he had the thought of I. Shukracharya, he turned into a small bee and he went into the Kamandalam and blocked the hole. Because Mahabali had to give water when he gives anything, when he does any dana, that was the practice. So he blocked it. Vishnu found out this and he sent that dried grass, that is darbai, through the opening of the Kamandala and it hit the eyes of Shukracharya. So Shukracharya became blind because of this. Then Lord Vishnu measured land and sky in 2 steps and Vishnu asked for the 3rd place. Mahabali showed his head. So Vishnu kept his foot on Mahabali's head and blessed him with immortality. Because he was a bhakta, he had only the feeling of I am the powerful, I am very generous. So God wanted to teach lesson for him. So this was the Purana connected to this temple. So Devas wanted Lord to appear as Krishna here. They all had darshan of Krishna. Yeah. In another legend, we find how the Alvars, who were referred as Mudal Alvars, they had the darshan of Lord Vishnu here. Once it was a dark night and it was raining outside. Polgai Alvar enters and he asked for place to stay there, and he was given the place, and he was said, this place is enough for one person to lie down, enough for two persons to sit, enough for three persons to stand. He said yes. Then after some time, the next Alvar, Bhudat Alvar, coming here, and he asked for the place. Then the first Alvar said, yes, you can be here, but this place is for two people to sit. They were happy. And after some time, the other Alvar, Ped Alvar, he also entered. Then they said, yes, three can stand. So they accommodated themselves in such a small place, and they were very happy to talk about Lord Vishnu. And Perumal also was keen in listening to them. So he is coming. And the Alvars sensed the presence of the fourth person, and they identified it is only Lord Vishnu. So they all composed songs. Polgai Alvar composed a song in which he mentions earth be big pot of lamp burning with ghee, which gives light as sun. All these pasurams, all the three sang pasurams, all the three pasurams are in Nalayira Divya Prabandham, that is 4,000 pasurams. And these pasurams are in the collection of Tiruvantadi. And it is out of their divine knowledge, they could feel the presence of God. And God gave them darshan to all the three Alvars. Lord Vishnu gave darshan in the form of Trivikrama to these three Alvars. And these Alvars attained mukti in this place. Another Sthala Purana. This is associated with Mrihanda Rishi. Mrihanda Rishi was staying at this place with his wife, and he was doing penance to have the darshan of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu was so happy with the devotion of Mrihanda Rishi, so he wanted to give darshan to him. So he came to his ashram at Tirukovilur in the form of a hungry Brahmin. So he asked Mrihanda Rishi to offer him food. But there was no food at home at that time. So Mrihanda Rishi asked his wife to prepare somehow. She prayed to Mahalakshmi, Tayar. And Mahalakshmi Tayar blessed her with vessels full of food. So Mrihanda Rishi's wife's faith and devotion were rewarded. And the Brahmin had good food. Then he revealed himself as Vishnu. He appeared before them with conch and chakra. Then Mrihanda Rishi requested Vishnu to show him the Vamana Avatara and stay at Tirukovilur. So here we can have a darshan of Vamana also in this temple, just at the back of Trivikrama Sannadhi. When you go around the Sannadhi, you can see this Sannadhi of Vamanar. So here you find Sri Krishna and Trivikrama and Vamana. So this is a very important Kshetram. It is in the list of 108 Divya Deshams.